welcome back to Kelly Plans It All. It's Kelly, and you never normally see me with naked nails, but I just dyed my hair blue, and so I wanted to do it with my bare nails and not my nice manicured nails. So I'm about to actually put new nails over my very terrible natural nails, but excuse them for the next couple of videos that I'm filming today. This lovely box here from one Erin Day to me is her shop's 6-year anniversary box. Her shop is Small Town Grace, and I wanted to share what is in it today. I wanted to put it out a little bit later in the month because I didn't want to spoil any surprises for people who may have received the box, who may have purchased it. But I did want to put it out there. I know there are some, at least as of the time that I am filming this, there are some still available. Not a bunch, but there are a couple. And so if anyone wanted to be enticed into purchasing, I wanted to help you out and give you a little bit of a nudge. So Erin actually lives close to me, so she did not ship my box. She dropped it off on my porch personally. But she wrote a cute little note on the inside. 6 years of Small Town Grace. That is just incredible. And I'm just so thrilled her shop has lasted and stood the test of time and still continued to put out great things. So she, besides the stuff from her shop that is in this box, also partnered with some other great shops to bring us some cool stuff. So I don't know if you can tell, you can see the confetti on here is like a multicolor. Rainbow is kind of the theme of this box. Sort of appropriate that it came out or was actually shipped during Pride Month. It was sold back, I don't know, I want to say April maybe. And then she amassed all the stuff and got them out this month. So right on time for Pride Month if you're celebrating that. If not, like, well, I don't know what's wrong with you. But also, who couldn't use colorful stuff in their life? So one of the items that's included are these cute little like emoji kind of stamps from the Sassy Club. So I think if you're not super into using stamps in your planner, this is kind of a great introductory way to just put like a little stamped icon and not have to like feel like you're stamping your entire planner layout. Just a little deco. Super cute. This really cute cookie cutter is from A Treasured Home, and they are the ones who 3D print the little washi carts that are super popular in the planner world, but they also 3D printed these cute little rainbow cookie cutters. And then very kindly included a recipe for sugar cookies that is meant to be like a rolled and cut cookie dough. And then I'm gonna eat that little Sour Patch Kid because I'm definitely into that a lot. Lots of other things from other shops. So this is from the Primrose Corner. We have a little sampler here from Planet Perfect. Some cute little journaling cards from Annie's Paper Boutique. Here's a little sampler of, this is kind of like a black hollow foil. That's really pretty. Adorably Amy Designs. Little words that are pretty common for all of us to use in our planners. Peanut Butter Taco did a little sampler. I love me some half boxes, so that's perfect. Creating & Co. did this little sampler. Super cute. Kind of fits that rainbow vibe. I love the colors in this. This is from Sweet Bean Plans, and it's so vibrant. It's matte, like a vinyl. And I don't know that I've ever seen stickers from her. I feel like maybe I have washi tape or something. But this is so vibrant. The colors, I don't know if it's really picking up quite as vibrant as they are to like your naked eye, but gorgeous. She included another one of these seals. Celebrate every tiny victory. There was one of these here. Yeah, right here. When I originally opened it. So there's another one of those. A pink glittery pin with a stylus tip. And I know people like get on their various teams about the different gemmed pens. You know, some people are team this shop or that shop, and I'm team like free pen. I'm team cute pen. And then I do like the stylus tips because when I am doing my nails, when I'm soaking the old ones off and sometimes it takes a while, and I still want to be able to browse my phone, and I have like clips with acetone on my fingers, so my fingertips are covered. I love to be able to use this to scroll through like my phone or my iPad. So I love a stylus tip. I'm all about it. This is an insert from Lights Planner Action. You've seen me show her inserts before, but she kind of did this specifically for the Small Town Grace box. So this is the layout. It's got a box for each day of the week, a to-do list, a little habit tracker, some kind of free space over here. So that's the entire thing. So it's a great little layout if you're like not a, I don't know, like you don't like to have a big planner, or you like to have like a little planner in your purse or your school bag or something. You don't want to carry a big one around. This is a good like little everyday carry layout. Really, really cute. This is just so freaking cute. I just can't imagine how many of these she had to go through and make sure she had for each person. It makes it seem so personalized to have an initial keychain for each person. That's just such a sweet touch. I just love that. So there's my sparkly K. I love it. It's so cute. We've got a couple of little die cuts here. My Hamilton heart loves this one. I am the one thing in life I can control. And then we've got a little rainbow there. And there's a couple of other little die cut vinyl stickers in here. We've got the Choose Happy that was on the insert. And then that Celebrate Every Tiny Victory with the rainbow logo in the background. We've got a couple more things in here before we actually get to the stuff that's from Erin's shop. Here is a sheet from Cricut Paper Co., which I love the colors on this too. I am a sucker for rainbow, like Pride Month or no. I love a rainbow pattern in a planner or stationery. It takes me back to my Lisa Frank days. It's just gorgeous. But these colors on vinyl, I think it's just that vinyl makes the colors pop. Stunning. This is from Lemon and Honey. It's kind of a more pastel vibe. Like the red's not like a super bright red, so it gets you a little bit more of a pastel vibe of a rainbow. Love that. These little chore icons from Lily's Little Cupboard in a rainbow colorway. Love those. And honestly, who can't need something cute to help them remember to clean the house? Because I need all the inspiration I can get. Seriously. Little Miss Papery did this kind of a glittery rainbow setup. Super cute. And then Lauren Phelps Designs did these. These are like clear backed stickers. See? Cute. Those are super cute. Those flowers are gorgeous. Love those. This I have actually seen because this happened to be Design Pandemonium's mystery kit that came out. And it happened to be in a rainbow theme. So they also donated them to this box as well. So I can't get enough of Jess and Vicky's kits, and so I'm glad to get a second go at this one. Got the cute little button here, a little sheet of deco, all of our functional pieces along with some full box quotes. Also, all of these are washi. It's like 2 thin washi strips. I don't know if you can kind of see like where the peel there is. Yeah, washi on this, every single one of these. You get all those washi patterns. Super cool. Then some more deco and then some more functional. You've got your checklist, your birthday and anniversary, your icons, some big washi strips that are cut to fit the bottom of most 7x9 planners, your weekend banner, your date covers, some other fun stuff. Love this kit. Then we get into the stuff that Erin actually sent from her own shop, besides those couple of die cuts earlier. A binder label and the spine label so that you can decorate your own sticker binder. And then here's the actual stickers, y'all. Of course, there's hollow stars because why wouldn't there be? So we've got a little card here that you could use as a dashboard, or you could do a lot of things with it. People do all kinds of things with these little cards. You can make it a journaling card on the back. You could laminate it and make it it's a good size for like a B6 insert dashboard, or you could put it on top of a bigger piece of paper and make a dashboard for a bigger planner. Lots you could do with that. I love these text stickers. It's like typewriting text, but just like little phrases that are sassy and fun and totally perfect and totally Erin, to be quite honest. And then the rest of these are this same arrangement of stickers, but every page is a different part of the rainbow colorway. So what's perfect about this to me is we got all of these sheets from these other shops that are like this, where there's, you know, some rainbow decor stuff, and then you can mix and match with colors. You could use these throughout the year. They're very, very functional, you know, and then a couple of little, you know, cutesy things, but mostly very functional pieces. I do love this sheet. This sheet is like the most Erin sheet in this whole thing. So I just love her style of illustration. This little girl here is hearkening back to a sticker she produced like probably in her first year of making physical stickers, and it was like an emoji of the like girl like making it rain with money, and so and we would use them every time her shop went on sale or had like new releases, because we knew we were going to spend money, but it's not her art, you know. It was just like something that she didn't even sell. It was, if you asked, she would include it in your order, because it was just like a funny joke for people who loved her shop. And so she went and kind of drew her own version of that in several different ethnicities and hair colors, so that you can use the girl waving the money who looks the most like you. I love this little charcuterie board. This is like such an Erin outfit. Leggings and a chambray shirt and cuteness. The little grumpy cat. So she used to have grumpy cat stickers in her shop too, a million years ago. That's so perfect. A Sonic drink, because you know that's a dirty Diet Coke. If you are a follower of hers or have been around the planner community a long time, you probably know about the dirty Diet Coke. It's just so cute. So cute. Love this box. Love everything in it. Love that I'm getting to not only have some great stuff, but to celebrate my friend and her success over 6 years of owning an Etsy shop, and creating some great stuff and some great relationships and great memories over that time. So if you haven't purchased your 6-year anniversary box from Small Town Grace, please go do it. It is so worth it. Nab one of the last few that are left, and you get all this greatness, and you get to support a really great business owner and a personal friend of mine, Miss Erin Day. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.